5 things you should never do while kissing. Kissing is one of the most passionate ways of expressing love. It can be foundation to a good relationship, and it can also be a deal breaker. If you don't want your relationship to end because of your bad kissing skills, here are 5 things that you should totally avoid while kissing your partner. Found this video interesting? Like or subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more such video. Also, share your comments below. We would love to hear from you. We know that a kiss is one of the many things that holds a relationship together. A kiss is the start to all things beautiful, a strong bond, comfort, coziness, and more. Kisses can often be underrated, but trust us when we say that it is one of the best forms of intimacy. Some men just prefer foreplay and then intercourse, they just dislike kissing for too long. On the other hand, there are several women who swoon over a good, passionate kiss. Irrespective of which category you fall under, there are some things that you should never do while kissing. In the past, we told you how to do the French kiss like a pro, how to kiss a girl's neck, and also some interesting facts about kissing. This time, however, we will tell you some things that you should never do while kissing, and if you do, you can kiss your partner goodbye. Using too much of tongue. One of the main causes of a bad kiss is using too much of tongue. Some people even lean for their first kiss by sticking their tongue inside their partner's mouth. That is downright sloppy. It can be truly disgusting, especially if you have just met this person. So when you are kissing, always start with the lips and then use the tongue. And when you do use the tongue, make sure you do not use too much of it unless you want your mouth to be filled with saliva. Also, see how to kiss a guy. 5 tips to give your man the hottest kiss ever. Also, see 5 things you must avoid doing after being cheated on. Giggling while kissing. This is mostly done by women. Giggling while kissing is a big turn off, and it is one of the worst things you could do. You might be doing it to cover your nervousness or because you find the whole act of kissing funny. Whatever your reason is, it ruins the moment and your partner might just lose interest. Trying to talk while kissing. Talking about kissing is sexy, but talking during kissing is another turn off. Keep all your conversations for a later time. It is certainly not a sensuous thing to talk or crack jokes in the middle of a steamy kiss. You can say things like, "That was sexy," or "You are hot." Talks like these are romantic and will increase the passion. However, if you talk random things or call out weird names, your partner will feel strange and confused. Just stick to the cute and sexy things to say, keep the rest for some time else. Also read different types of kisses and their meaning, 15 different types of kisses and what they mean. Having onions or garlic before kissing. Now it goes without saying that onions and garlic can give you bad breath, and hence avoid eating them before your kissing moment. The smell of onion or garlic makes kissing an act of torture. If you do not want to scare your partner off, avoid eating these. Also read which zodiac sign is the best kisser. This is what your stars tell about your kissing style. Staring right into her eyes. Majority of people prefer kissing with eyes closed, and that is exactly how it should be done. You cannot creep out your partner by staring right into her eyes while kissing. Haven't you watched kissing scenes in movies? The only time you can open your eyes while kissing is when you are in disbelief or shocked that the kiss just happened. On a serious note, it might be tempting for you to check if your partner is enjoying the kissing, however, it can also freak her out. And this rule definitely applies for first kisses. Also read how to kiss a girl. 6 perfect ways to kiss your girl like a pro. Licking her teeth. We told you how you should not use too much of your tongue. What you should also know is that when you do use your tongue, use it in the right way. French kiss is beautiful and sexy, however it can get sloppy and gross if you do not know how to do it right. Never lick your partner's teeth while kissing, it is weird AF. Found this video interesting? Like or subscribe our YouTube channel to watch more such video. Also, share your comments below. We would love to hear from you.